Hello everyone, welcome back again to my channel once again. I hope you all are doing great. So join me today. Let me show you how to make ginger tea for weight loss and weight management. And with this tea you can lose 3 kg in less than 3 weeks. You can make this tea with just 4 ingredients. So to make this ginger tea, you need the ginger roots. So I have here my fresh and well cleaned ginger roots. So I'm going to go ahead to grate the ginger roots. You can also use a kitchen knife to chop your ginger roots if you don't have a grater at home. So after grating or chopping your ginger, go ahead and pour it in your mixing plate or bowl, whichever one that you are using. After adding it in your bowl, then go ahead and squeeze in 2 lime, depending on the quantity of the tea that you are making. Please, my amazing viewers, if today is your first time of coming across this channel and you like what I'm doing on this channel, please do support by subscribing to this channel. Also like and share this video if you want to get more updates on weight loss tips. So after squeezing in your lime, go ahead and add your hot water to your lime and your ginger. So next, use a spatula, a spoon or a fork, whichever one, to give your mixture a quick stir. Then cover and let it rest for about 8 minutes. So after 8 minutes, go ahead and cover your ginger mixture. Use a strainer to remove the ginger particles. After removing the ginger particles from your mixture, then go ahead and add a teaspoon of honey to your ginger tea. Then give it a quick stir. Then pour it in your serving glass. Serve and enjoy. So guys, if you really want this tea to work for you, to help you lose weight very fast, all you need to do is to either take this tea first thing in the morning before breakfast with an empty stomach, or you take it before you go to sleep at night. And please, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, do subscribe, like and share this video. Bye.